Um, this chapter explores the different theories of language acquisition and how they can inform language teaching practices. The chapter begins by discussing the behaviorist theory, which posits that language is acquired through stimulus response associations and reinforcement. This theory is criticized by Chomsky and, for being overly simplistic and not accounting for the complexity of language acquisition. Next, the chapter introduces the cognitive theory, which emphasizes the importance of mental processes and problem solving in language acquisition. This theory also highlights the role of input and interaction in language development. The chapter then moves to and discuss the sociocultural theory, which focuses on the role of social and cultural factors in language acquisition. This theory emphasizes the importance of meaningful interaction and collaboration in language learning. Finally, the chapter introduces the various models of second language acquisition: the input hypothesis, the interaction hypothesis, and the output hypothesis. These models emphasize the importance of input, interaction, and production in language acquisition. It talks about the chaotic process of the learning of children and the different strategies that they use to do it. The ins- The instructivist approach talks about the ability to distinguish speech sounds from other sounds in the environment, the ability to organize the linguistic data into various classes that can later be refined, knowledge that only a certain kind of linguistic system is possible and that the other kinds are not, the ability to engage in constant evaluation of the developing linguistic system so as to construct the simplest possible system out of the available linguistic input. The first rule of generative grammar is sentence and production plus uh, pivot word plus open word. This chapter talks about the behavioral theories started in mid 20th century, cognitive theory starting in 1970s and 1980s, and social theory started in 1990s. That's all.